My dear brother Savage, this is a compilation of 5 of my favorite movements together with our Savage sandbag. This one in particular is 100-pound filled to most likely 110, 115 because I am fucking dying in the first movement, which are called slams. Next up, we're going to work in a fashion called the hand cleans, where you alternate side to side, drive it down, bring up your hip forcefully forward as you drive the sandbag up to your shoulder. Next up, we're going to slow down the pace a little bit, step out broad with your feet. You're going to come into a good morning first, make sure that you have a good contact with your hamstrings and your glutes, and then sit immediately down into a bear hug squat. So this is a fucking savage combination of 2 movements, and I'm already feeling pretty fucking tired. But again, another savage movement. Our 4th movement for today is going to look like this. Due to the fact that we're having the sandbag position pretty high up, it's definitely going to be a balancing act here as well in this movement, which is called reverse lunges. One of my favorite go-to movements as well. Last but not least, look at this. Drive the sandbag up to your lap, drive it over to your shoulder, establish balance. Brace your core. Sit down. These are called offset loaded squats. I fucking love them as well. SavageSandbags.com